Hello? Hello everyone. Welcome back to Horizon English. I am David.
And I am Alice. We are so happy you are here with us today. How are you, David?
I am doing very well, Alice. Actually, I was thinking, I'm feeling a bit adventurous today.
Oh, adventurous. Does that mean you are going to try a new pizza topping?
No, not today. Today, we are going to talk about travel.
Oh, I love traveling. Traveling is the best way to learn new things and meet new people.
Exactly. You know what? Talking about travel is also a great way to practice English because everyone has a favorite place or a dream vacation.
Yes, and don't worry if you are a beginner. We will speak slowly and use very simple words.
Before we start our trip, if you want to support us, please click the like button.
And subscribe. Join our family so we can travel the world of English together. Okay, David, are you ready to pack your bags?
Before you go on a trip, you need to plan.
Yes. The first question is, where do you want to go?
To be honest, I usually look at photos on the internet to find a beautiful place. I love the mountains.
Really? I prefer the beach. I love the sun and the sand. Let's practice that. I want to go to the beach. I want to go to the beach. After you choose a place, you need to book a flight. Book a flight. That means you buy your ticket for the aeroplane. David, do you book your flights early? Yes, I always book my flights 2 months before my trip. It is cheaper that way. Smart, David. I also need to book a hotel, or maybe an apartment. Let's practice that phrase. I need to book a hotel. Now it is time for the most difficult part. Packing. I hate packing. I always want to take too many clothes. I need a big suitcase. Suitcase. That is the bag you use for travel. Let's repeat. Suitcase. David, what are the most important things in your suitcase? To be honest, my passport is number 1. Without a passport, I cannot go anywhere. That is true. Passport. Repeat with us. Passport. I also pack my camera, my charger, and my toothbrush. Actually, I was thinking, don't forget your sunglasses if you are going to the beach.
Oh yes, sunglasses are very important. Alice, do you take a map with you?
No, I use my phone, but I always take a guidebook. I like to read about the history of the city.
Now imagine we are at the airport. It is very busy.
I feel a bit nervous at the airport. There are so many signs.
Don't worry. The first thing you do is go to the check-in desk.
At the check-in desk, the agent says, "May I see your passport, please?"
And you give them your passport and say, "Here you go." Let's practice that. Here you go.
Then you put your suitcase on the machine. They ask, "Do you have any bags to check?"
I say, "Yes, I have one bag." Then they give you a boarding pass.
Boarding pass. This is the paper that tells you your seat number and your gate. Let's repeat. Boarding pass.
Alice, do you like the window seat or the aisle seat?
Oh, I love the window seat. I want to see the clouds. Window seat. We have arrived. We are in a new country. Now, how do we get to the hotel? Well, sometimes I take a taxi. It is easy, but it can be expensive. I prefer to take the train. It is fast and I can see the city. You know what? In some cities, the bus is very good too. Let's practice these ways to move. I take a taxi. I take the train. I rent a car. David, do you like driving in a new country?
To be honest, no. It is very confusing. I prefer to walk. Walking is free and good for your health. Now we are ready to explore. This is called sightseeing.
Sightseeing. This means visiting famous places. For example, in Paris, you visit the Eiffel Tower.
I love taking photos of old buildings. Alice, do you go to museums?
Yes, I love art museums, but I also love local markets. I like to see what people eat and buy.
And you like to buy souvenirs, right?
Yes, a souvenir is a small gift you buy to remember your trip. Let's repeat. Souvenir. I usually buy a magnet for my fridge. It is a simple souvenir. I buy postcards. Actually, I was thinking, when we are sightseeing, we often need to ask for help. True. We say, "Excuse me, where is the museum?" Let's practice. Excuse me, where is the museum?
All this walking makes me hungry. Alice, let's find a restaurant.
I knew you would say that. In a new country, I want to try local food.
Me too. I don't want to go to a fast food place. I want to try something traditional.
When we go to a restaurant, we ask, "Can I see the menu, please?" David, let's practice that. Can I see the menu, please? And if you don't know what to choose, you can ask the waiter, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend? That means what is good here. Let's repeat. What do you recommend?
Usually they recommend the most expensive dish, David.
Maybe, but it is usually delicious. And at the end, we say, "The bill, please."
Sometimes things go wrong when we travel. It is a bit stressful. Like a flight delay. A delay means the plane is late.
Or losing your way. I get lost very often.
Oh, David, you need a better GPS. If you get lost, don't worry. Just ask, "I am lost. Can you help me?"
Another problem is losing your luggage. That is a nightmare.
To be honest, that happened to me once. I had to wait 2 days for my suitcase.
Oh no. But remember, stay calm, speak slowly, and people will help you.
Now it is time for the most important part of the lesson, the mega shadowing section. We have 30 phrases about travel. Repeat after us. Speak clearly.
I want to travel to Japan next year.
Did you book your flight yet?
I need to pack my suitcase tonight.
Don't forget your passport.
Where is the check-in desk?
I prefer the window seat, please.
Our flight is on time.
Have a safe flight.
Excuse me, where is the exit?
I need to take a taxi to my hotel.
How much is a ticket to the city centre?
The hotel is near the train station.
I would like to check in, please.
Is breakfast included in the price?
What time is checkout tomorrow?
Where can I find a good restaurant?
I want to try the local food.
This meal is delicious.
The bill, please.
you take a photo of us, please?
I want to buy some souvenirs for my family.
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
I am lost. Can you help me?
How do I get to the museum?
Is it far from here?
It's just a 10-minute walk.
The weather is beautiful today.
I had a wonderful time here.
I am going home tomorrow.
I can't wait for my next trip.
Wow, Alice, I feel like I just travelled around the world.
Me too. You all did a fantastic job today.
Travelling is about practice. The more you speak, the easier it becomes.
Exactly. Actually, I was thinking, our listeners probably have amazing stories.
Yes, you know what? I want to hear them. Tell us in the comments, where do you want to travel next?
And tell us, what is your favourite travel snack? I know David loves snacks.
Haha, true. If you enjoyed this lesson, please click the like button and subscribe.
It helps us create more videos for you. Thank you for listening.
I am David.
And I am Alice.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Safe travels.